How to fix Phasmophobia starting at level 3 with unexpected progress due to Steam Cloud. Welcome back to Tenebalta. Today, we're diving deep into a perplexing issue that has left many Phasmophobia players scratching their heads. Encountering an unexpected level 3 and accumulated currency upon a fresh installation, primarily stemming from Steam Cloud synchronization anomalies. This peculiar situation, where initial game data appears pre-populated despite a clean slate, often indicates a conflict between local game files and cloud-stored save data, leading to an unintended resumption of progress from a previous or even pirated instance. Our comprehensive guide will meticulously walk you through advanced troubleshooting steps, ensuring you can restore your Phasmophobia experience to its intended clean start, optimizing for integrity and preventing future data discrepancies. We understand the frustration when a pristine game launch is marred by phantom progress. It compromises the foundational experience of discovery and progression. This deep dive focuses on leveraging Steam's intricate systems and advanced file management techniques to identify, isolate, and resolve these underlying data synchronization failures. We'll explore everything from granular file system purges to network stack resets, ensuring a robust and definitive solution for a genuine fresh start in Phasmophobia. Understand Phasmophobia's save data mechanism. Phasmophobia typically stores its save data within the local low folder, specifically under Kinetic games. Understanding this location is critical, as Steam Cloud syncs directly with these directories, and residual files can trigger unintended game states upon new installations. This local data often takes precedence or conflicts with clean cloud states. Perform a preliminary game save data backup. Before any aggressive troubleshooting, locate and backup your existing Kinetic games folder from C/users//app-data/local low. This preemptive measure ensures you retain any existing legitimate progress or configurations, preventing accidental data loss during the resolution process. Create a clearly labeled archive outside the game directory. Verify Phasmophobia game file integrity via Steam. Navigate to Phasmophobia in your Steam library, right-click, select Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This essential step scans for and replaces any corrupted or missing game files, which can sometimes interfere with proper save data handling and cloud synchronization. A clean installation is paramount for stable operation. Clear Steam download cache to resolve corrupt data. Within Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and select Clear Download Cache. This action flushes potentially corrupt or outdated cached files that might be influencing how Steam interacts with game installations and cloud services, ensuring Steam uses the freshest data for operations. After clearing, you will need to log back into Steam. Update your Steam client to the latest version. Outdated Steam client versions can exhibit various bugs, including issues with cloud synchronization. Ensure your Steam client is up to date by navigating to Steam in the top left menu, then check for Steam client updates. Maintaining the latest client version ensures optimal performance and compatibility with all game and cloud features. Temporarily disable Steam Cloud synchronization for Phasmophobia. Access Phasmophobia's properties in your Steam library, navigate to the General tab, and uncheck Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud for Phasmophobia. This isolates the game from Steam Cloud, allowing you to manipulate local save files without immediate cloud interference or resynchronization. This step is crucial for establishing a clean local environment. Manually purge local Phasmophobia save data, local low. With Steam Cloud disabled, manually delete the Kinetic Games folder located at C/users//app-data/local low. This critical action ensures all local save data, including any lingering artifacts from previous pirated versions or unintended cloud downloads, is completely eradicated preparing for a true fresh start. Ensure the game and Steam are closed during this process. Re-enable Steam Cloud Synchronization and force a new sync. After thoroughly deleting local save data, re-enable Steam Cloud Synchronization for Phasmophobia in its Steam properties. Launch the game. Steam should prompt you with a cloud conflict or upload a new, empty save state to the cloud. Choose to upload your, now empty local files to establish a fresh cloud save. Resolve Steam was unable to sync prompts by choosing local files. If you encounter a Steam was unable to sync your files error upon launching, carefully review the prompt. Opt to use the local files if they are the intended clean slate you just created, or choose to upload if Steam mistakenly presents an older cloud version. Your goal is to overwrite the cloud with a blank slate. Run Steam as administrator to ensure elevated privileges. Right-click your Steam shortcut and select Run as administrator. Insufficient user privileges can sometimes prevent Steam from writing or synchronizing files correctly, especially in protected directories or network locations. Running as administrator ensures Steam has the necessary permissions to manage game data effectively. Review and configure Firewall/Antivirus exclusions for Steam. Your firewall or antivirus software might be inadvertently blocking Steam's cloud synchronization processes. Add exceptions for Steam, exe Steam Service, exe and Phasmophobia's executable Phasmophobia, exe in your security software. This ensures unimpeded network communication for Steam cloud services. Flush DNS cache and reset network configuration. Open command prompt as an administrator and execute ipconfig/flushdins, netch int IP reset, and netch winsock reset. These commands clear your DNS cache and reset your network adapter's configuration, which can resolve underlying network connectivity issues affecting Steam cloud synchronization. Restart your PC afterward. Check for corrupt Steam installation files and repair. Beyond game file integrity, Steam's own core installation can become corrupted. Navigate to your Steam installation directory, e.g., c/program files x86/Steam. Delete everything except Steam apps and user data folders and Steam exe. Then run Steam exe to allow it to self-repair its core files. Update graphics drivers and operating system for system stability. Ensure your graphics drivers are updated to the latest version directly from the manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, and that your Windows OS has all pending updates installed. System stability is paramount, and outdated components can lead to unexpected game behaviors or software conflicts. A stable base minimizes variables. Opt out of Steam beta participation, if applicable. If you are participating in the Steam beta client, bugs or unstable features might interfere with cloud sync. Go to Steam Settings, then Account, and under Beta Participation, click Change, and select None. Opt out of all beta programs. Restart Steam for changes to take effect. Investigate Steam's user data folder for mismatched saves. The user data folder within your Steam directory contains client-side cloud save data for each user. While direct manipulation is risky, understanding its existence helps in deeper troubleshooting. If all other options fail, a complete reinstallation of Steam after backing up Steam apps might be considered, which also purges user data. Create a new local Windows user profile for testing. To isolate if the issue is profile-specific, create a new local Windows user account and install Steam and Phasmophobia under that profile. If the game starts correctly at level 1 there, it indicates a corruption or specific configuration issue within your primary user profile's environment. Monitor Steam Cloud processes in Task Manager. During game launch or exit, observe your Task Manager for Steam Cloud processes or high disk activity associated with Steam. Identifying if the cloud process is hanging, crashing, or excessively using resources can provide clues regarding synchronization failures. Termination and retry might be necessary. Reinstall Phasmophobia after comprehensive data purge. As a final, more drastic step, uninstall Phasmophobia via Steam, then manually delete both the Kinetic Games folder in local low and any remaining game files in the Steam installation directory. Perform steps 3, 4, and 6, then reinstall the game entirely, ensuring a completely clean installation and cloud state. Engage with official Kinetic Games and Steam support. If all previous troubleshooting fails, provide a detailed account of your steps and the issue to both Kinetic Games support and Steam support. Include screenshots, exact error messages, e.g., Steam Cloud Sync Error 0x800401F0 Cloud Data Mismatch, and your system specifications. They can offer platform-specific or game-specific solutions. That concludes our in-depth guide on resolving the Phasmophobia Level 3 unexpected progress issue stemming from Steam Cloud synchronization. By meticulously following these steps, you should be able to reset your game progress to its intended starting point, enjoying the ghost hunting experience as it was meant to be. Don't forget to follow Tenebalta for more expert technical content and guides.